I always thought it was common sense to not go swimming close to a pier when you're at the beach, but the last few times I've been there, there's always a bunch of people that are swimming right around the pier. If you take a look here, you can see how many sharks are normally in the area, and this is just a result of all the fishermen being there, throwing bait in the water, and obviously the blood and the chum that comes from the fishermen. So if you are at the beach, it is never a good idea to go swimming right at where the pier is. As we move down the beach further away from the pier, you can see that the sharks are really only concentrated in that area around the pier. There's a couple of stingrays that you can see, but after that there's really nothing else as you move further away from where that pier is.